Don't turn off your TV, don't switch channels, listen closely. This message is from the Federal Space Administration. Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt your regular programming to bring you urgent information regarding a potential threat to our planet. The Federal Space Administration has detected an unprecedented celestial object on a collision course with Earth. As you can see on the world map displayed, areas marked in red, orange, and yellow are at risk of impact. If you live in those areas, proceed to evacuate as soon as possible. The green zone, indicated here on the map, is considered a safe zone, where preparations from multiple world organizations are underway to ensure the safety of residents. We urge all citizens in the impacted areas to stay tuned for further instructions and information on evacuation procedures. For those in the green zone, please follow the guidance of your local authorities and be prepared for any updates. This is not drill. We repeat, this is not drill. We are working around the clock to assess the situation and provide guidance. Please remain calm, stay informed, and prepare for potential evacuation. We will keep you updated with real-time information as it becomes available. Evacuation essentials. 1. Food. Pack non-perishable items and snacks that don't require cooking. 2. Water. Ensure a 3-day supply of water. Aim for 1 gallon per person per day. 3. Medications. Consider personal health needs. Bring a supply of medications for the evacuation period. 4. Radio. Secure a portable radio to receive the latest messages and instructions. 5. Personal documents. Copy essential documents, such as passports, driver's licenses, and medical information. 6. Clothing. Take warm clothes and suitable footwear, along with personal hygiene items. 7. Communication devices. Make sure your mobile phone is fully charged, and bring a portable charger. 8. Family. Implement an evacuation plan with your family. Designate a meeting point in case of separation. 9. Mental health preparations. Account for stress situations. Bring toys or other entertainment for children and stress relief items. 10. Protection gear. Consider protection from the elements. Raincoats, blankets, sunscreen, and insect repellent. 11. Pets. Prepare for the evacuation of your pets. Pack pet food, water, and necessary supplies. Ensure pets are microchipped and have identification tags. This is a basic list. Add any other necessary items depending on your personal needs. Federal Space Administration. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an emergency update from the Federal Space Administration. The celestial object we previously identified as Apocalypse has entered Earth's atmosphere. Impact events are now occurring in the areas marked on the world map in red, orange, and yellow. If you are in these zones, enact your evacuation plan immediately. For those in the green zone, which includes shelters, remain in your designated safe areas. Authorities are working to secure your safety. Evacuation essentials continued. 12. Emergency shelter. Identify local emergency shelters and proceed to them. 13. Evacuation routes. Follow designated evacuation routes. Avoid high-risk areas. 14. Emergency services. Listen to emergency service broadcasts for updates. 15. Emergency contacts. Keep in touch with friends and family. Share your location and status. 16. Local authorities. Follow the instructions of local authorities. 17. First aid kit. Pack a first aid kit with essential medical supplies. 18. Cash. Carry some cash for emergency expenses. 19. Important items. Take sentimental or irreplaceable items if time allows. 20. Vehicle. If using a vehicle, ensure it's in good condition. Carry extra fuel if possible. Here is a video showing the impact events and the aftermath of the asteroid strike. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a final update from the Federal Space Administration. The catastrophic impact events have concluded, and we are now in the post-impact phase. The devastation is extensive, and our hearts go out to all those affected. Emergency response teams are mobilizing to provide assistance, medical care, and support to survivors. Please listen carefully to the following instructions. 1. Safety first. Avoid damaged or unstable structures. Be cautious of potential hazards, such as fires, debris, and unstable ground. 2. Emergency services. Emergency services are on the ground providing assistance. Follow their instructions. Medical teams are treating injuries and providing support. 3. Shelter and aid. Head to designated emergency shelters if you haven't already. Aid distribution points are being established. Seek assistance for essential supplies. 4. Communication. Use communication channels cautiously. Emergency frequencies are prioritized. 5. Assistance for pets. If you evacuated with pets, check with local authorities for animal welfare services. Report lost pets to designated animal rescue teams. 6. Reuniting with family. If separated from family, use designated communication points for reunification. Emergency contact centers are operational. 7. Ongoing updates. Stay tuned to emergency broadcasts for ongoing information. Official communication channels will provide guidance for the days ahead. 8. Psychological support. Counseling services are available for those in need. Reach out to support groups for emotional assistance. We acknowledge the immense challenges you are facing. The international community is mobilizing resources to aid in recovery and reconstruction. This concludes our emergency broadcasts. We extend our deepest sympathy and commitment to assisting in every way possible. Please stay strong, support one another, and look towards rebuilding our communities. This message will repeat on designated emergency frequencies. May hope and resilience guide us in the difficult days ahead.